Hello everyone, welcome to another video of cardcancode.com. In this video, I'm going to unbox the professional microphone Blue YETI X. Okay, let's start. You see the box? Quite heavy. I need to cut the seal first. Okay, that's very easy. Okay. Let's see what's inside the box, guys. Okay. Let me pull this out. Wow. Okay. A few kilograms, I think. Okay, you see the empty box. Let's put this away. Very nice and heavy cover. There are more still here. I need to cut it. Let's see what is inside the box. Okay. Important safety, compliance and warranty information. The same thing but in other languages. Quick instruction. Adjusting the gain with the green button and the blue indicators for the lights. Protective film, very thick, very soft. This is nice. Okay, and inside is the microphone itself. Let me take it out. So beautiful. Before I take the microphone out, let me take these things out first. So this is the USB cable. Okay, this is from USB-C. Now this is from micro USB to USB. Micro USB to USB A. Let me take the microphone out. So heavy. Need to be careful. Okay. Here is the microphone. Very high quality. So heavy. Nothing left in here. Just an empty box. But the microphone is protected very carefully with all these thick films. Okay, put the box away. Now let's have a look at the microphone. There's a soft cover here at the bottom, at the base of the microphone, so so it doesn't move around easily. But because the microphone is so heavy, I don't think it will move around easily as well. Very heavy. I think it's around more than 2 kilograms, I guess. And let's have a look at the microphone itself. Okay, this is the microphone. Very shiny, very high quality. I'm very happy. Look at this. This is crazy. And this is where the volume button, the gain button, with the lining. I think when you turn it on, the light in the middle here will turn green, and the light over here will turn into different colors depending on the settings. I will check it out later. There's another button over here in the back, say pattern, probably some sort of setting for adjusting where the voice gonna be catched by this microphone. Where is it coming from? Different direction. Wow, this is insane. So heavy, so high quality. There's a logo here, blue. Let me do this so I can have this. So I'm wearing the same color with this thing. Let me try to turn it on. Let me try to turn it on from here. Let me plug this in here. Okay. I have just plugged the USB cable to my computer, and I guess yes, so over here you can see that there's a port for the micro USB, and there's another 3.5 headphone jack. You can I think you can plug a headphone into this one, and you can kind of hear whatever you are saying at the same time. So let me plug this in. Okay, so after I plug the micro USB cable to the microphone, the light turns on. It looks so beautiful. That's why I wear this color today, so it matches with the color of the microphone that I'm unboxing. Look at this. So cool, right? Very good. Very high quality. This is insane. so good. And the button for the pattern in the back also light up. This look like a trophy. Adjusting again. Hello. Oh, it's actually reflecting what I'm saying. So hello, hello, hello. The more loudly I speak, the indicator light will be there will be more indicator light. There will be more light indicating the sound, the volume of the sound coming in. This is so good. I still have a lot of things to learn how to configure this perfectly, but by the time I figure that out, I will make another video. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for the next video. See you. Goodbye.